In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razer Blackshark headset to Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Razer Blackshark headset to your Xbox console. This will work regardless of the Blackshark model that you have, so it can be the original one, the V2 model, the Pro, and so on. All that you have to do is properly connect it into the Xbox console. So you have two main ways of doing this, either through USB or through a wired 3.5mm connection. So choose whichever one you prefer. I highly recommend using the 3.5mm audio jack. That one is basically guaranteed to work, and all that you have to do is plug it into your Xbox controller. Once it is plugged in, all of the audio coming through the Xbox will go to the Razer Blackshark. It is going to be used as the default audio output device, and you will be able to join voice chat, listen to others, listen to your game, and so on. Alternatively, you can try using the USB provided by Razer, and this allows you to convert the 3.5mm into a USB connection, but Xbox usually has trouble recognizing generic USB headsets, so it is highly recommended to use the 3.5mm audio jack instead. As soon as you connect it into the controller, it is going to be selected as the default audio device. You should be able to change some settings related to the microphone and so on, but there's not much in the way of customizations. If it doesn't work, it could indicate a problem with the specific Blackshark model that you have, and if that's the case, then sadly, you will not be able to use it on your Xbox One. What I recommend is that you purchase a Razer headset model that is properly made and compatible with Xbox consoles specifically. Usually they have trouble connecting to generic headsets that weren't developed for Xbox. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer Blackshark headset to Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.